Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're finally going to sit down and play around with the June ice cream beauty box. I know it's like the 1st of July. Today is the 1st of July and I'm filming this finally. Girl, I have been so busy this past week. I have not sit down and filmed one video this week. So I said, you know what? I'm going to sit down today and get it done. I've had a few people ask me, hey girl, you going to film that? And I'm like, yes, I am. I'm so sorry I'm late. But I have actually been trying out the products, so I do have some thoughts on everything. So first of all, we're going to start off with the lipstick, and we got a bullet lipstick from Oaklawn, and it's beautiful. I got this really pretty shade of red. Now, I'm not going to use this because my mother-in-law really loves this shade. She got the same one and she asked if she could have it. So I said, absolutely. As soon as I film my video, you can have it. So I just wanted to swatch it and see what it looked like, but it's really pretty. I just don't wear red lipsticks that much. I have a couple that I really like that I already own. So I was like, she can have that one because I just honestly don't wear red lipsticks that much. Next up is this little highlighter from ZC, and it is the cutest packaging. I love the packaging, and I just have to say that this has been my absolute favorite highlighter. I think it's just beautiful. It's so smooth on your skin and it just gives you a nice glow. You can build this up, which I love. If you know, you know, girl. I love highlighters, and this I have been using non-stop. I absolutely love it. Okay, so next up is the duochrome eyeshadow stick, and this is the white side, which actually shows up purple. Now, I have not tried this yet, so I will be trying this out today. And this is the other side, a really beautiful purple. I love this. It's a beautiful shade. And they do shift, so I love that. This one shifts from like a gold green to a purple. It's very pretty. Next up, we get the two little single eyeshadows from Chantico Beauty. Now, this one I have used. This is like the pinky orange shade, but to be honest, it shows up more of a lime green on my eye. It's really pretty. It does shift to like the pink and the orange, and it is stunning. I absolutely love these little single eyeshadows from Chantico Beauty. Now, this one is the green to purple one. Now, I can't show you this one, girl, because it's broken. It came broken, which I was so sad about. So I haven't used this one yet, but I am absolutely going to use it today. That's what she looks like. She's going to probably show up more of a dark green on me. Let me just swatch this one for you. See how it's got like a green to a pink to an orangey shift? That one is really beautiful on the eyes. I love it a lot, but today we're going to use this one. Last but not least is going to be our eyeshadow palette, and this is from Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and this is the Ice Cream Collab palette. Now, I have used this as well. I absolutely love the white in here. I love the black in here. I've used this multi-chrome color, which is gorgeous, girl. She shifts so pretty on the eyes. I think I'm going to use this purple shade, and I might use that green shade because I haven't used those yet. But the formula on this eyeshadow is amazing, and I have absolutely been loving it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Chantico Beauty first. And I'm just going to take a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start packing that on the outer corner of my eye. So now that I have that on the outer, I am going to buff it around into my crease because these shades buff out so nicely. So I'm just going to take it around into the crease, and I'm just going to keep bringing that color up. So I'm kind of working this as my transition shade as well. So again, just bringing it up, but trying to keep it light-handed as I bring it up for my transition shade. Just like so. Of course, I'm going to do the same thing for this eye. I'm going to pack it on the outer corner. So I have to know, comment below, let me know the two colors that you got in the Chantico Beauty. I just want to be nosy and see what everybody got. My mother-in-law said that she got the purple one, and then she got this one, which is like the green purple. And again, just bring it around into the crease and take it up into the transition area. Just bringing it up, keeping it light. You can always just keep building it up. That's what I really like about these as well, is how easily they build up. But I also like that you can keep them kind of light and sheer them out. So now I'm just gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just really buff out this top part here. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, Affection. Such a pretty purple. And we're just gonna build that color up and bring it right into that other color. And of course, same thing for this lid, building it up. I love this purple. This purple is so pretty. Now going back with that other brush and just buffing out the edges, just to blend the colors together a little better. I did have a little bit of fallout from that purple shade. Okay, so now for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm gonna take this white shade. I'm just going to apply it to the brow bone first, and then to the inner corner. Ooh, I love, that is gorgeous. Bring it up onto that purple a little bit on the inner corner. That is so pretty. Then I'm just gonna take the first brush and just blend back and forth a little bit. Now I'm like, do I wanna add the green to the bottom or do I just wanna keep it purple? I was really hoping that the Chantico color would show up a little bit more green, but it's not really showing up too green. So I think what I'm gonna do for the lower lash line is use this purple, and I am just gonna run this right under the eye. Love this purple anyways. And then of course I'll bring it out and connect it. And I think I am gonna take a little bit of this white shade and just add that to the inner corner for a little more pop. I mean, I love this white shade. The white shade on here is probably my favorite shade. I don't know, I do love the purple too, but this white shade I'm gonna use a ton. I really love it. I'm gonna add like a little bit to my brow bone as well. Again, just gonna go back and buff it out a little. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with that purpley white shade and just kind of drag that onto the lid a little more, because that shade itself is really pretty as well. And it just goes good over top of that purple shade out of the palette. I really like that. It just brightens it up a little bit. So of course you already know I'm gonna curl my lashes with my heated eyelash curler. And of course I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, which is the Voluminous Mascara from L'Oreal. Okay girl, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love it. Okay, first of all, love this highlighter. I have been using it, like I said, non-stop. This is a really good highlighter. I love it a lot. Okay, so glad that we got to try Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I have never tried anything from this brand before, and I'm so happy that we got it in our box. The formula of these eyeshadows is amazing, really nice quality. Again, I have been enjoying this palette. Love the white. I love the purple. Can't wait to try more shades. I really love that shade as well. And I have been using this nonstop as well. Again, the lipstick is super cute, but I really don't do a bunch of red lipstick. So I'm going to be gifting this to my mother-in-law. She'll use it way more than I will, girl. And of course, you guys already know that I love these Chantico eyeshadows. I think they are so nice. I love the pressed ones. I love their loose pigments. They're just really good quality, and the shifts really are there. They're so pretty when you move your head around. It's so hard to tell on camera, but they are gorgeous. I really like this. I definitely like this white shade. It shows up more of a purple, but super cute, and I think it looks good topped on top of this purple shade. Overall, this box is amazing. I absolutely loved everything that we got. As always, girl, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.